Hi everyone. So I just have little food to make. Just tell me how you like your egg. This is my veggies for my egg. Guess what the name of the purple veggie is, and some other veggies in there. Now let's add our egg. Then let's cover. See you soon.